What they do, y'all? Boy TJ Too Smooth, Treasure One, and what you are looking at here is the 2022 1500 Ram 1500 Hemi E-Torque Laramie. Ooh, one-on-one, I'll take you. One-on-one, they don't make two. Pretty bitch, 2 tattoos. Told her come through and make moves. Yeah, ooh, yeah. All my dogs making moves. Yeah, stepping new gym and shoes. Look at you like what it do. Ooh, one-on-one, I'll take you. One-on-one, they don't make two. Pretty bitch, 2 tattoos. Told her come through and make moves. Yeah, ooh, yeah. All my dogs making moves. Yeah, stepping new gym and shoes. And the wind is blowing. Let me bring this over here. If you were looking for a do-it-yourself video on YouTube, this is gonna be the full in-depth do-it-yourself video, and you won't have to go anywhere else because you know how we do it on the channel. Treasure One, TJ Too Smooth, Mr. Fix Your Car. I'm gonna show you step 1 through whatever of how to get this done yourself. So link will be in the description below if you want to buy these for yourself. Without further ado, get a little B-roll and let's get started. So, boom. Nope. So step 1. So if you're on your truck, if you're at your Ram right now, if you get down under the truck, you'll see that all of them come with these pre-billeted all the way down the side screws that are already in the frame of the truck. So any good kit that you get to put your running boards in will have brackets that fit these screws. Now, that being said, I think the brackets are universal. So technically you could probably do this on like a Silverado 2 or, you know, one of those Nissan trucks. But this is for a Ram. So if you have that Ram, you're gonna see 3 screws placed 3 times along the side here. And it's also gonna be on the other side of the truck. Now, what you have to do is place the bracket, and I'll grab that in a second, on each one of these up and down the truck. So there's 3 on each side with 8mm, which is really 1/2. It says 8 on paper, but 1/2 inch bolts. So you're gonna bolt these on with 1/2 inch bolts, and you're gonna need an extended socket. So let's do that. Start that. Take that out the plastic. And just these, like so. Boom. Very simple, very easy. Make sure you get your washer, your bolt. And this is a lock nut, so once it's on, it's on. You probably have some kind of leeway to get it off, you know, with just pure muscle, but you definitely want to do it right the first time. It's gonna take some elbow grease, y'all. Yeah, could you grab me like a shirt or something for me to lay my head on? Shit's so hard. Hey, I'm telling you, baby, you beautiful. Your whole body on funeral. That mean your haters is dead. You kill them with shots in the head. You kill them with selfies and captions. Photo shoot like camera action. Photo shoot like camera action. Ayy, she killing the makeup and fashion. Ayy, photo shoot like camera action. I seen how I stole it, what's happening. And you should be able to do pull-ups from this thing. Boom. That's 1. I'll take y'all through the rest of them in a second. Yeah, I know, right? Boom. Waiting, like how long I've been patient. I've been patient, I've been, yeah. I've been waiting, I've been, yeah. In the states that I'm in. Florida, baby, sorta made me wanna spend more time. The more you make me correlate the clock spin. Jet skis, hop on it, don't debate me. Caught a wave, vibe with it, check the time. Only been 5 minutes. Grab the waist, ride with it. Trade your one, trade songs, dive in it. Give me kiss, I want all that from my missus. To tell the truth, I ain't too far from getting too drunk in them hallways with my niggas. And then I stumble home to you. I mean what I'm supposed to do. At least I'm coming home to you. And you understand it too, yeah. Cause no other man will do what I'm prepared to do, yeah. Cause when I was there for you, they were scared of you. But I don't fear, cause girl, I was here for that year we spent in them trenches. Gunshots over fences, police is checking them windows. Tell me, do you remember burning pine in December? It was the coldest winter, I thought I found me a winner. Whoa, whoa, I told my baby you beautiful. I'm telling the baby you beautiful. Your whole body on funeral.
Word to the wise, get an impact drill. You're gonna get to the same destination, just faster. Boom, we got one side down. And that's exactly how it should look. You should be able to literally step on these things, do some pull-ups, hang and dry your clothes. That's very, very tough. So again, like I was telling y'all earlier, you know, you might want to just get an impact drill because you're gonna do the same thing with the power of your hands, but you'll get there faster. So anywho, let's do the other side.
Fun. See you twerking wrong to her favorite song, she gon' show you how it's done. And yeah, she know that she the one. Yeah, she know that she the kid. She got a good job, got her own car, ain't nobody in the business. Got some real one-on-one, I'll take you. One-on-one, they don't make two. Ay, pretty bitch, 2 tattoos. Ay, okay, so next step, guys, you're gonna have these little T-bolts here. 10mm T-bolts. They look like this. And you have to place them along these grooves. Place it in sideways, slide them on down. This has like a little cutout here. You place it in right there, slide it on down. Now, the top one, the first one goes down here, second one goes right here, third one comes right here, because there's no cutout on this end to place a bolt. Drink like I'm sipping the coffee. Kept her close, you were doing the most. A nigga left and now it's killing her softly. Run it up and run it back till you faint. Rag it up, pull it out of the bank. Reinvest and you double up. If it's dirty money, clean it out in the sink. And I've been shipping them out. Going hard, ain't no such thing as a drop. Ate it so good that she caught herself squirting. I think I just let the bitch.
You good? Yeah. She ain't gonna do nothing. She ain't gonna do nothing but smell on you. You good, bro? No. She ain't gonna do nothing. Just sit right here. Yeah. Nail that too.
Say that again?
Thank you. You too. Okay. So guys, Not only will you need the socket for the front end, but you're also going to need a wrench for the back end, because as you can see, this socket does not fit past this part of, you see this edge here, this solid edge of what supports the step. But the front end, you can go as tight as you want. You can almost break your wrist doing it, but this right here, you're going to need a wrench. Boom, look at that. You could use it.
Yeah, that's a little step. That'll help.
You know, get in and out of the truck, no problem.
You're not out here, but. That's the government.